Restoration Jungle Bolo / itak knife repair handle homemade tutorial. First, prepare all tools: grinder with flat disc for cutting metal, bolo or itak, tube of metal for handle replacement. Use chalk stone as marker for metal. You need to mark 2 line in metal tube where to insert the jungle bolo after grinder. Then spot welding for permanent attach. It easy and simple. Please watch carefully this video to learn how to repair handle of jungle bolo. A vice or gatto is a mechanical apparatus used to secure an object to allow work to be performed on it. Let's put the metal tubes for cutting the marker line. Be careful. Safety first. You need to wear protection to your eyes like eye goggles, also protection to your hand or gloves for safety measure. Every market you've been cut using grinder, you need to determine the jungle bolo on it until it fits. Then the next side. Always be careful using grinder. Be present of mind and focus. Don't be distract.
Tuyo ka dire, ako. Ikaw ko dyan. Balik.
After fitting the metal tube with the jungle bolo or itak, now we need to weld the metal handle. Reminder again, always wear safety tools to your eyes by welding, like auto dark welding shade. I will recommend auto dark eyeglasses for safety eyes and see clearly what you weld. Nothing to worry the spark, by the way. Also use electric fan to vary the smoke from welding toward your direction. The smoke of welding so hassle and dangerous. Surely you have problem in your sleep at night. If so happen you need to prepare Vic or Biogesic or Neozip or eye drop. Simple tips for beginner. After welding the restoration handle jungle bolo, we need to soak some water to remove heat. Time to use grinder to remove residue of welding and need to plane to avoid your skin hurt. Thank you for watching, hope you like it. Please subscribe and select all bell icon. YouTube will notify you if there is new update video on this channel.